Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Namish Rai and today I'll show you how to make a radar system using Arduino Uno. So for this project you need one ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04, one servo motor and one Arduino Uno. And you need two softwares also, Arduino IDE for uploading code to Arduino board and processing software to display the data. Now I would like to start this project with a brief description on how the sensor works. So basically this sensor has two modules, one is transmitting module and one is receiving module. So this transmitting module transmits ultrasonic waves at 40,000 Hz at speed of sound which travel through air, and like if there's any obstacle which obstruct the path of this wave, the wave reflect from the object back to the receiving module. And this is how speed and time is calculated. And we know there's a very simple formula how to calculate distance, which is distance is equal to speed into time. So guys, one more thing before starting the project, link for products, source code and applications are there in the description box. You can go check it out. So let's start our project. First you have to open the source code for Arduino IDE that I have given down in the description. So here in this code only one library is there, servo.h, and no need to install it because it's a default library which comes with the software itself. Now go back to tools, then select boards and then select the board Arduino Uno. After that go back to tools again, go to ports and select the port to which your Arduino Uno board is connected. After that you can compile the code and then upload it. This is a wiring diagram and you can connect your sensor and motor accordingly. Now before connecting the sensor and motor to Arduino Uno, you have to first mount ultrasonic sensor on servo motor. So for this you can purchase a ultrasonic sensor holder from any online website. If you want, I'll provide the link in the description. But I don't have it, that's why I used a L clamp to mount ultrasonic sensor on servo motor as shown in the video. You can also follow these steps to mount your ultrasonic sensor. Now let's complete our wiring. After connecting everything to Arduino board, go to Arduino IDE, then open serial monitor, select 9600 baud rate and the output from the sensor will be shown. Now open processing software. This will be the next part of our project. So in this code we have to do some changes. Now go to 18th line of this code and here you'll find COM. Now in my case it's COM3. My Arduino board is connected to COM3, so it's COM3. But suppose your Arduino board is connected to COM5, then instead of 3 put 5 there. After that, you run the code. This is how the output will be shown, where angle of the motor and range of the object is also shown. So this is how our final project will look, and thank you guys for watching this video till end. I hope you like it, and for more projects like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm aiming for 20 likes. Till then, bye.